Hello and welcome. My name is Robin and this is my channel. So I am playing catch up. Please forgive me. So if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. If you like my videos and its content, please hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button so you get notified of my future video, and a thumbs up. And if you're returning, you know me, I run a little bit behind. Thank you for understanding, and I so appreciate it. So I have a bunch of Boxycharms that I'm catching up on. So I am doing, this is September's premium box that I'm catching up on. So I won't make these long drawn out videos. Because I know everybody's unboxed theirs and they're probably getting their October boxes. So again, thank you for bearing with me. And as we all know, there is a base box, there's the premium box, and there's the luxe box. So after I do the premium, I will do a video for the luxe box. I think that's how it works. You don't get the base box, but you get the luxe box. So what's exciting is there's a card. Sometimes Boxycharm puts a card in, and sometimes Boxycharm doesn't put a card in. So this is Glam Vibes only. So it puts, you know, the items in there, and then it puts the retail price. Now the premium box is $35, and usually it's over $100 value, sometimes even over a $200 value. So that's not bad. And the first thing that is in my box, because there's different variations, I got variation 7. I hear they're going up to like in the 50s or 70s. So I got a pretty low variation. I got 7. And this is the best workouts happen in the shower. Wink. Ooh. Peppermint coffee scrub. I get a lot of coffee scrubs, I get a lot of subscription boxes, and there has been a lot of coffee scrubs. Thing about coffee scrubs is they could be a little bit messy. You try to put them on all over your body and they just kind of fly all over. So I do keep an extra rag in my shower to make sure when I get done, I get the coffee. But I do enjoy them. They do work. So that is super nice. And I'll go over pricing after. Then we have the ice roller for your skin. And I have a ton of these ice rollers. So I will probably put this in a giveaway or gift it. So if you don't have an ice roller, let me know. I have I got a really big one where I put it in the freezer, and it's for the body, and it works really nice. But again, how many ice rollers does one need? But I do enjoy the big ice roller. So that's nice to get in there. And then a milk product. Been getting a lot of milk products in our boxes. So this is the Kush Lip Scrub, and it's always nice to get lip scrub, especially with the heat. And here's a nice tube it comes in, and I have problems when I open these, which side you open, but this seems like it's magnetic. Oh. Can you see that? It does. It looks like a lip balm. It smells good. Yeah, it's like having chapstick, but it has a really nice smell. So definitely going to enjoy that. Then we have by Ole Henriksen, and I know this is an expensive brand. And this is Fat Glow Facial. And, you know, I'm going to rip this open, right? a hair product. It's a little tubby tube. This lip scrub smells good. Oh, it's a facial mask. Apply an even layer to clean, dry face. Massage until transforms from pink to white. Leave on for 15 minutes. Remove with a damp washcloth. Use 2 times per week. That's what it looks like. Oh, I will definitely try that. Boy, they're getting creative with their mask products, aren't they? I bet you that smells good. We got another little tubby thing here. Brilliance Facial Oil Overnight Treatment. I've heard of masks that you use overnight, but I don't think I've heard of the oils. Trusty scissors. So you guys having a great back to school, fall. As I said in my other video, they have the candy, Halloween candy by the registers, which they've had out now for what, a couple months. And my favorite is the candy corns by far. But the close second is the Reese's Peanut Butter Cups, and they come in all sorts of different shapes and everything. So I like my Reese's Peanut Butter Cups. So this is the oil. Now I do have an oil that, you know, I use that's similar to this, but it's not an overnight. So I'd be interested. Oh, it's got this whole book. I don't think my eyes will let me read this whole book. I say I'd be interested to know how it works. I don't know if I can read that whole book. So I'm just gonna see if I could, of course it's probably at the bottom, no? This was the EH, I just have to see. Oh, here it is. It's the Emma Hardy. And hydrating and lightweight, the Brilliance Facial Oil from Emma massages deep into skin so you can achieve a natural looking glow. Multi-active, this formula is crafted with potent essential oils that soothe and purify skin, while camellia oil offers antioxidant protection from the radical damages. So face and neck, primarily at night. For maximum benefit, use as an overnight treatment. Problem I have with like using this in overnight masks is I forget that I have it on, so in the morning, but I always wash my face anyway first thing in the morning. But this actually looks nice. And then, of course, they always put a palette in here. And this is the Queen Lies in All of Us. And I've seen unboxings, but I couldn't tell you what the palette looks like. So I don't know if it's a palette that I can use or not. Okay, these are colors. They're very beautiful colors, but I can tell you I'm not going to use this palette. I don't use the bright pinks or the bright purples. So I will probably do another giveaway for a palette. Yeah, I do like the lighter purples and some of these lighter colors, but not enough that I want to waste a whole palette in trying them. So let me know if you can remember that long ago when you got your box, if you got this palette, if you like this palette. So let me know what you think of the Queen palette. But yeah, I'm just not going to waste a palette. I rather give somebody else enjoyment if they're going to use this palette, because the colors just aren't for me. We've been getting some great palettes in Boxycharm, some neutrals, and those are more of what I would wear. But let me know if you got it and what you thought of it. So that was the last thing in my box. So let's just go over the pricing. The first thing was the Queen eyeshadow palette, and that $45. So it's not an overpriced palette, but I don't know if I'd pay $45 for it. But again, I will do a giveaway, so keep watching for a giveaway for this palette. And the Ole Hendrickson, that glow facial, where's my tubby little thing, that was this. I'm definitely going to try this mask, and that retailed for $50. So these two items were $95 already. And then that Emma Hardy, and I do look forward to trying this. I do have dry skin, so this might help. And that retailed for $55. So we're like almost $155. And then the ice roller. I do like rollers. I do enjoy them, and they're great for putting on a face mask. And this retails for $18, so I will not be using that. And then the lip scrub by Milk. I tried it. I liked it. I'm going to keep it. And that retailed for $22. And then the coffee scrub. I could just sit there and play with the mushiness. And that retailed for $18.95. And it doesn't give us a total. No. So, but it looks like it's 150, 60, 70. It's almost $200, or about $200. So let me know what you thought of my September premium box. As I said, I only paid $35, and it was well worth it. And thank you so much. You guys have an awesome day.